Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce your token usage on Claude to avoid rate limits using the easy methods. Tokens are just the small pieces of word data the system counts when you type, and by lowering this count, you can keep your chat dashboard open all day without getting blocked. Step 1. Wipe out your old chat history and start brand new rooms. The first step to lower your word data count is to stop typing inside long, old chat sessions and open up a fresh workspace instead. Move your mouse pointer over to the top left side of your browser screen. Look for the button that has a small plus sign or says New Chat and click it once to clear your display view. Click that button firmly to wipe the active workspace canvas clear, leaving a single empty text box at the bottom. Because every single time you type a new sentence inside an old chat room, the system adds up all the past texts, questions, and responses from the very beginning of that day. If your chat history stretches down the screen, a tiny one-line question forces the system to reread thousands of old background words over and over again, quickly draining your allowance. Starting fresh keeps your word count low. Step 2. Trim down your pasted files and shared files. Next, you need to change how you feed letters and files into your typing box so you only give the system the exact information it needs to see. Look at the documents or long text blocks you want to paste before you drop them in. Highlight and delete any massive blank spaces, extra introductory greetings, or repetitive paragraphs using your keyboard. Copy only the core sentences or specific data rows that matter for your task, and leave the rest out of your typing window. Because the system counts every single letter, punctuation mark, and blank space inside your uploaded files as word data. If you paste a massive text sheet full of fluff, you waste your daily limits on background data that does not help with your answer. Trimming the text means you use less data per message. Now, you can use your own instructions to force the assistant to write short and direct responses instead of long, windy explanations. When you type your question into the box, add a simple rule at the very end of your sentence, such as, "Give me a short one-paragraph answer," or use a simple bulleted list with no extra talk. Type out your prompt line clearly, ensuring your short response rule sits flat at the bottom before you press send, because the system's output responses count toward your total data limits just like your input questions do. If the assistant generates a massive 5-page essay when you only needed a quick summary, it burns through your limits very fast. Forcing it to stay brief cuts your data spending in half. And that's it. To reduce token usage on Claude to avoid rate limits, you first open a completely brand new chat room to clear out your heavy word history. Next, you trim down your pasted files and documents to remove extra fluff letters. Then, you instruct the assistant to write short and direct responses to save output data. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.